Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to fix Coinbase account under review. So to get started, if your Coinbase account is under review, it's often due to security check or identification verification or sometimes unusual activity. So the most crucial first step is to check your email, including the spam or chunks folder, for any communication from Coinbase. They typically send an email explaining the reason for the review and what step you should take, so such as uploading a updated identity document like your government issued ID and selfie, resolving the payment dispute, or confirming recent transaction. Ensure all personal information on your account matches your ID exactly, and follow their instructions carefully for uploading clear unedited image of document. So if you don't receive an email or the instructions are unclear, contact Coinbase support directly through their official help center or by phone. While reviews can sometimes take a few days, often between 24 to 72 hours, though some users report longer. Providing all trusted information promptly and accurately is the key to speed up the process. Avoid logging in from a new or unusual location. Keep your account information updated and ensure strong security like two-factor authentication to help prevent future review. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.